Welcome to Mastering PPC Advertising, the ultimate guide. If you're looking to take your digital marketing efforts to the next level, you've come to the right place. In this comprehensive video, we'll unravel the secrets behind successful PPC advertising. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, we've got something for everyone. So, let's dive in. First things first, what is PPC advertising? Pay-per-click advertising is a powerful online marketing strategy that allows you to drive targeted traffic to your website by paying for ads only when someone clicks on them. Imagine your potential customers searching for keywords related to your business. With PPC, your ad can appear right at the top of the search results, giving you instant visibility. We'll cover the fundamentals of PPC, including keyword research, ad creation, and budget management. You'll learn how to set up your first campaign like a pro. Creating an effective PPC ad is an art. We'll show you how to write compelling ad copy, choose eye-catching visuals, and create a call to action that converts. And don't forget about A/B testing. We'll explore the importance of split testing and how it can fine-tune your ad campaigns for maximum results. PPC advertising allows you to target your ads to specific demographics, locations, and interests. We'll show you how to pinpoint your ideal audience for the best ROI. Plus, we'll dive into remarketing strategies to re-engage those who've shown interest in your products or services but haven't converted yet. Managing your budget is crucial in PPC advertising. We'll guide you on how to allocate your budget effectively and analyze the return on your investment. We'll also introduce you to advanced analytics tools that help you track conversions, clicks, and more to measure the success of your campaigns. The world of digital advertising is always evolving. We'll discuss the latest trends and updates in the PPC landscape, ensuring you stay ahead of the competition. We've also gathered insights from industry experts to provide you with the most valuable and up-to-date information. Managing your budget is crucial in PPC advertising. We'll guide you on how to allocate your budget effectively and analyze the return on your investment. We'll also introduce you to advanced analytics tools that help you track conversions, clicks, and more to measure the success of your campaigns. The world of digital advertising is always evolving. We'll discuss the latest trends and updates in the PPC landscape, ensuring you stay ahead of the competition. We've also gathered insights from industry experts to provide you with the most valuable and up-to-date information. E-commerce businesses can significantly benefit from PPC advertising. We'll explore strategies tailored specifically for e-commerce, such as shopping campaigns and product listing ads. We'll show you how to create captivating product listings and use feed optimization techniques to enhance your e-commerce PPC game. Want to see PPC in action? We've compiled some inspiring case studies and success stories from businesses that have achieved remarkable results with pay-per-click advertising. These real-life examples will give you practical insights and ideas to implement in your own campaigns. By now, you're well-versed in PPC basics. It's time to take it to the next level. We'll explore advanced strategies, including geo-targeting, ad extensions, and competitor analysis. These techniques can help you outperform your competition and achieve outstanding results. Congratulations! You've just completed Mastering PPC Advertising, the ultimate guide. Now armed with the knowledge and strategies we've shared, you're ready to supercharge your online presence and drive conversions like a pro. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow us for more in-depth guides on digital marketing. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, drop them in the comments below. And remember, success in PPC advertising comes with practice, so start implementing what you've learned today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. That's a wrap on our ultimate guide to PPC advertising. We've covered everything from the basics to advanced strategies, ensuring you're well equipped to boost your digital marketing game. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.